Hi guys, it's a nice chilly 19 degrees out today, but we got a little project to do. Now look what we got here. Lots of wood. Oh, and a little Christmas present there on top. Kind of a discount Christmas present, but got kind of tired of crawling around on the ground to cut wood, so that's going to make life easier. And there is the saw that will be going on to that. And then as we travel out here, oh, look what we got here. More wood. So time to start cutting a few things up and getting to work. Let's get this thing opened up. For the first opening, it's got a nice big crease across the top of the rail, so it looks like this guy is going back to the store. Okay guys, this is take two. We just took a trip over to the store and picked up another box. Hopefully this one is going to be in better condition. Want to come in? So far, so good.
There's a handle on the bottom. Keep on tape.
Okay guys, here's what the saw stand looks like with the trusty old radial saw installed. I guess it's a miter saw.
All DeWalt.
If you want to know how the stands work, you can always look at other YouTube videos, because we're not going to go through that at this point. So it's time for us to start cutting some wood with this setup, and we'll see what that project's going to look like.
Yes, are we going out?
We got our first board cut. Well, this video is going to get a little mixed up. We started working on our project here the other day, and well, actually a week ago, and things like work get in the way, and of course the weather, and it was all nice and dry out here up through the beginning of January, and now in just the last few days the snow's come, and things are a little bit different. So we got a few feet of snow here and there, and looks like before we can get out to the shop and get any work done, gonna have to shovel a path to get over to it. One thing that was kind of fun is we got a saw stand that we're going to set up in this video, and well, we started cutting some wood and realized that we're going to have some bigger things, larger size wood involved in our project, and maybe our current saw wasn't going to handle that so well. So turns out that some things are being discontinued, and we fell upon a pretty good deal. So now we got a new thing to put into the project. So we'll get that set up on the stand, get the old saw pulled down. Got a new cord to handle the heavier ramps of the saw. I'm getting tired of using these poor quality extension cords, so we'll get that put all set up after I get a pathway dug out. Well, and just a quick word on what this project is about. This is kind of a rough CAD drawing, but we are going to be building a little cabin, and it's going to be 12 foot in diameter, and we've always set up a tent that we've had out there for weathering in, providing some privacy and such, but that turned out being a kind of a bad idea. So we're going to go to building this little building that'll get used for other purposes in the future possibly. And since it's going to get thrown down on some potentially unlevel ground, maybe moved around, maybe frozen ground at the time, we need some way to be able to level it up. So I'm going to come up with some kind of a system, use these scaffold jacks to hold it in place and level it up once we get it out there. So should be an interesting project. It's going to be kind of a modular construction in parts, and then we'll take it out there and finally put it all together. Okay, that was better than I thought it was going to be. Snow wasn't quite as deep as it looked like originally, so got a pathway dug out there. Got a 2-wheel cart, so get the saw loaded up and get it moved out to the shop. No, Debbie couldn't wait. She dove right into the box, and
Christmas!
I think she's always wanted one of these. She always watches the home improvement shows, and they have sliding saws, and I think she's been wanting to get her hands on one of these for quite a few years. So
For sure.
So there it is. Now we just got to wrangle it out of there and get it put up on the saw stand. Okay, you're live. Debbie's dream has come true.
That's cool.